Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, April 5th, and I just had a little bit of breakfast and I'm gonna get my reading and meditating done. The book I am almost done with this. It's kind of a funny story by Ned Vizzini. This was my favorite book when I was a kid, and now that I'm an adult, I'm rereading it. And once I finish with this, I'm gonna start reading. Probably gonna start reading Atomic Habits, and I have like 40 pages left of this, so at least within the next 4 days I will finish it.
Hi, I'm Tamara. Today we'll explore the challenge of maintaining a regular practice and what to do when you fall off track.
Alright, so tomorrow we go on to the next row, which is so exciting. It's 8:45 and there's so much I have to do today, but I don't have the energy to do anything, and I don't want to do anything. But I think I'm gonna sit and do my Duolingo just so it's done, and then I'll probably have some energy to do more. I did all 3 Duolingo challenges, and Holly was trying to be in my way for all of them, trying to get my attention, so she's gonna be in this clip with me. You love it. You just don't like it when people are watching. You're mine. You're mine. Don't leave me. Don't leave me. I love you. It's because I love you. It's because I love you. I just walked in my room because I have to feed the guinea pigs, and immediately they are freaking out. I know. Wait a second. You're gonna hurt your teeth again. Holly, quit it. And now I'm gonna get in my journaling. Yesterday did not go as planned, but it was still a win. I got all my steps in before 6:30, even though I was sitting on my laptop for most of the day. I forced myself to just go for walks, and it felt amazing and will definitely become more habitual. I'm really tired, but getting through it. I've done lots of reflecting and I can see how much better I'm doing, but I think the thing I'm most excited for is to lose more weight. I really feel like I'm happy for the first time in about 6 years. I've been single for 2 years now out of a 4-year relationship, and in reflection I was so unhappy for so long, but I didn't even realize it. My biggest stress is how much money I lost in the past 2 years. I know I'm doing good things and putting out nothing but good and being responsible, so I know that it has no choice but to come back around to me, but waiting for it to get there is stressful. Alright, so that's it for my morning routine. It's 9:10. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I am happy that even though I just wanted to sleep this morning, I got done what I had to get done. And that is not something I would have said 6 days ago. I spent the past hour and a half helping make these pickles. I finally finished putting the whites of the eyes on them, and then I've been getting through tagging them, so that's what I've been doing today. So I put on my outfit for the day. I've been trying to do what I want to do with my editing, but it's just not going according to plan. So I don't know if it's just like my laptop it's like 4 or 5 years old, so I don't know if it's just like done or if it's me doing something wrong, or if I just like, I don't know what's going on, but I'm losing my mind. It is about 12 o'clock and I have to leave for work in an hour. I'm just doing my aunt's hair at the salon, so not too bad. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably just gonna try working on this for the next hour, and it's gonna make me like go insane. Driving me insane. How many times can I say driving me insane in a video? I don't know. I feel like this is gonna be like the most boring vlog ever. It's just me losing my mind and I don't know what to do about it. I have been needing to clean my bathroom, so I'm going to get on with that. This floor desperately needs to be swiffer. When my cats get angry, they'll pee in my bathroom and it's so frustrating. I don't know what to do about it. So if you guys have any tips, please leave them in the comments down below. I will love you forever. And once again, the last thing I have to do is get my steps in. I'm at 2,200 steps and it's almost 3 o'clock. I did my aunt's hair and then I cut my dad's hair. And I'm done with YouTube and hobbies for the day, challenge-wise. But I do want to do more work on all that stuff, but I have to get steps in. Which, like I said, I didn't realize how hard it would really be. And it is a gloomy, rainy day, so I don't really feel like going for a walk, but I might have to. So I realized I didn't have any caffeine today, which is a win because I normally need caffeine to function first thing in the morning, so I'm clearly doing something right. But I felt like having some coffee, so I made some coffee and I got this cinnamon roll flavored protein shake, so I figured I would try it in my coffee, and I must say I am impressed because I'm obsessed with cinnamon rolls. My laundry is in the washing machine and I think I will walk on my walking pad for a little bit. I'm back to working on tagging emotional support pickles. I have the You're a Big Dill card. These are warnings for the ones with the plastic eyes in case there are small children. And then my mom's business card. I need to put hole punches in all of them and then put them on here and put the tags on the pickles. I'm gonna work on just doing piles of hole punches and then get to tagging.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a man's game. Stand up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. I know that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems.
So I finished with my laundry, so I have to put it all away now. When I do my laundry, I just dump everything on my bed and then sort it out into piles.
What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
I hate these like bra inserts on the sports bras, trying to like get them back in the right position. I feel like this is the most difficult time I've had trying to fix them.
That we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss. I know that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
So then I put my piles away one by one to get my extra steps in. And once that is done, I hang everything that needs to be hanged.
Can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me. I feel alive.
And then I'll put them away one by one to get my steps in.
Tears in the laughter, I'm here for the ride. Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you
And then the guinea pigs eat their dinner.
'cause you know how wild it can get to love an emotional mess.
giving you boys extra carrots today because I know you love carrots. I did all that extra walking around and I'm still only at 4,500 steps today and it's 5:15, so that has to change. I don't know what I'm gonna do to get the last 5,000 in, but I will get the last 5,500 in. I have to, there's no option to not. So I'm up to 8,111 steps. I went to the card store to deposit a scratch off, and then I walked on my walking pad for 1 mile, catching up with my aunt on the phone. So that got me up to over 8,000 steps, and it's 6:10, and the guinea pigs are still nomming down on their dinner. And I could probably just walk another mile and get the rest of my steps in. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do. Also, I'm sorry if I'm horrible at vlogging. Please let me know what you guys want to see. That's why I'm doing this challenge, to get better at it. So let me know what you want. I realized how behind I was starting to become with my editing. So I decided to take a little break from getting my steps in because I will get them in by the end of the night and finish my day 3 video. Very nice, very juicy.
You feeling yourself walking?
Yeah, just for a little bit.
Can I insert myself?
Sure.
Now your voiceover, you could be like, and this is my sister.
So Nugget gets his medicine and Meep gets treats because he gets jealous that he doesn't also get medicine. So I finished off my steps and got in the shower because I was sweating from walking so much on the walking pad. But it is about 8:20 and I finished my steps and I really pushed myself to get those steps in, but I am really proud of myself for doing it because I feel so accomplished and so good about myself. And I feel like the time I spent walking on the walking pad, texting or walking on the phone or watching YouTube video, like I could have just been sitting down on the couch texting a friend back and forth, but I was walking on the walking pad. So that's something I'm definitely gonna just do more often because I really enjoyed it, and I would totally recommend you guys do that too if you're looking to get some more steps in, because it totally helps. I've had this thing for so long, and I used it for a little while, and then it just became like decoration in my apartment, and I would like walk over it to get past, and I didn't use it for so long, so I'm really happy that I'm using it now. And now I am working on uploading day 3's video and scheduling it to go up. I'm trying to stay really on top of these uploads because it piles up really fast. Tomorrow my plan is to go grocery shopping for the guinea pigs, possibly get my nails done, edit as much as humanly possible, obviously get all my tasks in, and I really need to sweep and vacuum. So that is my plan for tomorrow. Hello, baby. and I am just going to relax for the rest of the night, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow.